What's up everyone, this is Duana aka Glamazon1026 and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today we are going to build on the video that y'all saw earlier this week and we're going to do rose quartz nails. So stick with me, you'll see how it's done. I'm going to be using the Poochie's Nail Light Peach acrylic powder as well as the Model 1's complete white acrylic powder for this look. I know it says rose quartz, but peach was kind of giving me the eye, so I figured that I'd use the peach because it looked more rose quartzy than any of the pinks that I had. Anyway, so we're gonna put down a really thin layer of the light peach on the nail. Just make sure it all is covered. I'm working with wetter beads today because this is going to be a design that is like, it builds on each other. That's how you get it to look rose quartzy. Now we're going to take a really wet, tiny little dollop of white and just use that, the wetness and the tip of the brush to just like smudge it all over the nail and then go right on top of that with some more peach because then it makes it look like it's actually embedded in the nail like an actual rose quartz. And then you can go back and forth until you get the desired effect. So now we're going to move on to the pointer finger and we're going to do the same exact thing. Put down a really thin layer of peach. Then when we're finished with that, we will put down some white with a really wet bead. Just kind of smoosh it all around. Like use the brush to kind of take some away and put some more some other places and then go over that with a layer of peach. I've been holding my nails down lately just so that, you know, the flow of gravity can help with laying the bead. And then just kind of go back over the places that you want to accentuate more. The thinner you get the white, the more see-through it is, and the more see-through it is, the more legit it looks. And then go right back over that with the peach because you don't want it white, you want it to still have some, you know, peachiness. Anyway, this was a really fun look to do, but I'm really excited with how it turned out. And now we're going to move on to the thumb. We're going to really speed through this one because you've seen it twice already. There's really not that much that's different happening, but I just want you guys to see it again. I'm really happy with this technique. I practiced for like 2 days and I could not get it, and then it just clicked to me. Like, why are you using all these other colors? Just use peach and white. It's kind of like water paint, like painting with a watercolor, I guess. Just need a little bit, and then go over it with that peach to kind of seal it in, make it look lived in, if you understand what I'm saying. All right, now we're going to just cap everything in clear so that when we file, we're not taking away any of the design. Y'all, I'm all over the place with my camera work. I apologize. I really was doing like 18 things that weekend. Hair, makeup, nails, everything, packing to go to the hotel. Like, it was just a lot. So I was just trying to get everything done by that weekend. Anyway, still capping in clear. And then we're going to file the nail. So we're just going to make sure that our shape is nice. Any extra acrylic that we put down is coming off. We're filing the top and the sides, making sure that we have a really nice point. Taking off any excess that's around the cuticles. And then we're going to go in with the e-file and just clean those cuticles up, as well as take off any excess bulk that we need to. I don't know why this isn't in focus, but you know, you'll see soon enough what it looks like. Look at those nails. Aren't they so cute? Look at them. They look so good. Ooh-wee. Take off any like excess acrylic that's on the underside of the nail. Make sure that that point stays really nice and sharp. Make sure the cuticle is flush with the cuticle. Just making sure everything is a-okay. Looks good. Then after that, we are going to go in with the buffer and buff out all the scratches. Make sure that there are no like sharp jagged points, so that when we put down our top coat, you know, it lays nice and flat. So I'm going to be using the Poochie's Nails foil gel glue and a dotting tool to draw some veins where the white lines are for a rose gold foil. And I think that using the dotting tool is better than using the brush, because then you get a nice sharp line. You stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. When it comes out, you just kind of like roll the foil on it, and it comes out with a really, really good look. Then I'm going to use the Poochie's foil gel base to put on the nail to just kind of seal everything in. Once I'm finished putting that on, I stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure. This just makes sure that your foil lasts as long as your set. It doesn't rub off or anything. And then I'll go over it with the Glitter Bells top coat and put that in there for 60 seconds in the lamp. So then when I'm finished, I'm just going to use the Love by Verdi cuticle oil to freshen up these cuticles. I ended up doing the foil veins on 4 of the fingers. Just gonna rub that in, make sure it looks nice. And here is the finished look. I love it. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. This came out better than I thought it would. I was so scared I was gonna mess my nails up. They actually ended up matching my cake. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you can see I have a picture up of how they matched my cake for my birthday. I just really love how these came out, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.